Here we have first few square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and then whatever we'll discuss here, the same trend you'll find in the numbers below also. So 1 is a square number and it can be written as 1 squared. This is 4, so this is 2 squared, that is square number of 2. This is 3 squared, this is 4 squared, this is 5 squared, and this is 6 squared. Okay, now this is 1, this is the first odd number, right? 1 here, and first odd number, right? So this is 4, this can be written as 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4. So this is what? Sum of first two odd numbers. Sum of first two odd numbers. Now note this 2 is here, this 2 is here. Next, this is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 5 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 1 is an odd number. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9, right? This is sum of first 3 odd numbers. So the sum of first 3 odd numbers is what? Is this 3 is here, this 3 is here. The sum of first 3 odd numbers is what? 3 squared. In the same way, if you look at this number, this is 16, so this is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 7 is also an odd number. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, that's here. This is what? 16 is what? Sum of first 4 odd numbers. So the sum of first 4 odd numbers is 16, that is 4 squared. This one is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This is sum of first 5 odd numbers. So the sum of first 5 odd numbers is what? 25, right? And it's what? First 5 odd numbers, sum of first 5 odd numbers is what? 5 squared. Last one, this is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. These all are odd numbers. If you add them up, you'll get 36. This is what? Sum of first 6 odd numbers. So the sum of first 6 odd numbers is how much? Is 36. So it's actually equal to 6 squared. It means if you're asked what's the sum of first n odd numbers, then that will be equal to n squared. So if I ask you what is the sum of first 13 odd numbers, that will be 13 squared. Of 23 odd numbers, 23 squared. Of sum of first 1000 odd numbers, that will be 1000 squared, right?